What if I told you that just 1 cup of a simple vitamin solution could help bring your indoor plants back to life? Sounds unbelievable, right? But many plant lovers are using this easy homemade trick to support weak and stressed houseplants naturally. If your indoor plants have yellow leaves, drooping stems, or slow growth, don't rush to expensive plant products just yet. Try this simple vitamin water treatment first. Some gardeners use crushed Surbex-Z tablets because they contain vitamin C, B vitamins, and zinc, nutrients that may help stressed indoor plants recover and stay greener. Here's how to make it. Take 1 cup of clean water, add a crushed Surbex-Z tablet, and mix it well until fully dissolved. Now pour a small amount into the soil around your indoor plant. Avoid soaking the pot completely. You can also lightly spray a little on the leaves, but don't overdo it. Use this treatment only once every 2 to 3 weeks. Too much can damage indoor plants or create salt buildup in the soil. Many indoor plant owners say this trick helps plants look greener, healthier, and more refreshed. This method is often tried on pothos, peace lilies, snake plants, money plants, spider plants, and other common houseplants.